Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is TALIAMUFIZA and I'm from class TBID. Now I want to do assignment for reflection for the what we have studied before. It's about the learning assessment and implementation. Learning implementation. Learning implementation is a process of interaction between teacher and student designed to achieve educational goals. According to Mustafa Maulana, who quotes from Roy, learning implementation includes strategies that have been designed to achieve the desired learning outcomes, where this interaction is the core of activities in the school. Learning process. The learning process includes three aspects such as students, learning process, learning situation, relationship, learning, and assessment. Learning and assessment are interconnected processes that can be separated to enhance educational outcomes. Assessment serves to measure the achievement of learning objectives and provide constructive feedback for teachers and learners. Assessment in learning. Assessment in learning is a form of assessment that aims to measure the knowledge and skills that students have after the learning process. The result of this assessment are then used to publicly report student achievement within a given period. These assessments are usually formal in nature, such as standardized tests where the results are compared with the results of other similar groups of students according to Satyawati. Concept of learning. The concept of learning encompasses a wide range of definition and interpretation, reflecting its complexity and significance in human development. Learning is fundamentally the process of acquiring knowledge, skills, behaviors, or understanding through various means such as study, experience, or teaching. Model implementation. Learning model implementation is the process of applying a systematic, conceptual framework in organizing learning. Classroom management. Classroom management is essential in creating a conducive learning environment. Classroom management strategies involve systematic efforts by teachers to create conducive, effective, and positive learning environment, aiming to increase motivation, facilitate teaching and learning. Assessment paradigm. Assessment paradigm in education refers to framework that underline the way we understand, design, and carry out the assessment process. Here are some of the main paradigms. Educational assessment. Application of growth mindset, integrated flexibility in determining assessment type of assessment. Diagnostic assessment, formative assessment, summative assessment. Diagnostic is before, formative is when or in the last of learning, in the learning on the end of it. Summative is the end of the learning. Educator can use a variety of technique and instrument in a summative assessment. Formative assessment. Types of assessment in Merdeka curriculum: written assessment, non-written assessment. Maybe that's all for me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.